It's late muzzle loading. I've been coming up this holler here, and I topped up on this little ridge where I seen a lot of bucks right here back in rifle season. Been sitting here a while now. I haven't seen nothing yet. A lot of fresh tracks though, but the sun's right in my face right here, and I can't hardly see down in there where they're going to be coming through, so I may try to move here. Plus it's pretty cold, so I don't know how long I'll be able to sit here. So wind's blowing about 15-20 mile an hour at times, so I'm gonna sit here a few more minutes, then I'll probably just stalk down through here and get up on this other ridge. Let's see what we can do right here. Well, I finally got a shot at one. Stalked up on these suckers for a long ways. I'm pretty sure I hit it. I'll go over here and see, but I'm pretty sure I heard it smack it. It sounded like she piled up right over there. So let's go look. That's all we can do. Let's go see. Well, this right here is an example of listen after you shoot, man, because I heard her crash up here on top, and well, I mean, I heard her pile up, but it didn't. She wasn't dead. And I circled around, and I seen another thing. I seen the other deer, and they pretty much told me where she was. She didn't bleed good. I hit her back just a little bit. Well, I actually hit her back a lot, but you know, luckily found her, and man, it's but she was 150 yards, but she was quartering to me more than I thought, and the sun was right in my face, and I couldn't hardly see her good, you know, but I hit her back. But like I said, I just listened, and I heard them heard her up here on top thrashing around. But she got back up though, and got here in this little clearing, and I just kind of sat and waited on her to die, or finally I just walked up to her and cut her throat. But she's a big mature doe. That's what we want to get. And, that's what they want off here. So we'll get this old girl out of here. It's a haul out of here. Thank you, Lord, for an awesome season we've had this year. And been on some nice bucks, and hopefully we get to do it again next year. So thank you, Lord, and let's get this thing out of here.